how to view all photos that you have liked on Instagram. If you want to have a look at all of the photos you've ever liked on Instagram, I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. First, go into the Instagram app. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of the screen to go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner. Then click on your activity. Next, about halfway down, you'll see interactions. Click there. Then click on likes. Here you'll be able to see all posts you've ever liked on Instagram. You can select them and you can sort or filter as you would like to. And that's all it takes to view all of your liked posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.